Hello friends, I am Naveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel Offer Amazon. Today I discuss you about best AC under 25,000 rupees in India for 2021, 1 ton, 0.8 ton. You ask Chennaites to name the 3 seasons they experience in the city. The most probable answer would be hot, hotter and hottest. Though it is in a lighter vein, it drives home the fact that the air conditioner is a household item in the city. Almost every family has one, if not more. Thus, the demand for ACs will always be there in such places in India. This buying guide for the best AC under 25,000 should strike a positive chord among such people. We shall focus on the principal factors to consider when purchasing an AC in this budget. Meanwhile, here are some of the prominent models available on the online market to help you understand what to expect in an air conditioner under 25,000 rupees. Best air conditioners under 25,000. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. And if you buy from this link, the channel will help you. Number 5 on my list, Amazon Basics 1 ton 3-star 2021 model inverter split AC. The 1 ton capacity makes it an ideal appliance to have in bedrooms not measuring more than 110 to 120 square feet in area. Though it comes with a reduced capacity, this AC has features like precision airflow with up to 12 fan speed grades to deliver accurate control and more comfortable airflow. Nowadays, ACs have to come with high quality filtration features to deal with air pollution inside the house. This Amazon Basics model features a high density filter capable of cleaning up to 80% more dust and pollen than the standard dust filters available on its peer models. The auto swing feature starts functioning when you switch on the AC to distribute cool air and cover the maximum area possible by moving its horizontal flaps automatically. This AC comes with a unique humidity control feature that dehumidifies the room and provides exceptional cooling, especially during the rainy months. Split ACs, especially the outdoor units, have to withstand adverse weather conditions, ranging from the hot sun to heavy rains. Besides, industrial pollution can also hasten corrosion. This Amazon Basics AC features golden film coating, an anti-corrosive protection layer on the condenser parts to withstand extreme weather conditions. The Eco Mode is an 8-hour energy-saving option that cuts electric consumption by about 60% compared to the regular working mode. The Turbo Mode enhances cooling and heating power accordingly, depending on your immediate requirements. The refrigerant leakage detection feature displays an error code, and the machine stops functioning until you repair it. The fireproof electric box prevents internal fires due to electrical short circuits. This AC has an emergency function that detects temperature sensor errors. It displays the error, but the machine continues to work correctly. Pros: excellent features that ensure quality performance. ISEER rating of 3.86, robust build with an extended lifespan. Additional features like refrigerant leakage detection and smart diagnosis prove handy. Cons: installation charges are not included in the product price. Some users have reported customer service issues. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 4 on my list, Sanyo 1 ton 3-star inverter split AC SISO10T3 SCIC. There was a period when people used to purchase Japanese products blindfolded. Sanyo ACs deserve to come in that category because of their remarkable and trustworthy features. This AC works on full inverter technology that varies the motor speed to suit the situation and save energy. The Glacier mode gives you the feeling of floating on ice as the 35% higher fan speed delivers instant cooling when you need it the most. This air conditioner is the ideal one to keep working at night as it auto-adjusts the temperature to provide a comfortable sleeping experience. Hydrophilic fins promise longer condenser life as they ensure superior protection against rust and salt damage. This appliance uses copper coils to enable faster heat transfer and provide resistance to corrosion. Thus, it enhances the AC's overall lifespan. The PM 2.5 and anti-dust filters are the standout features of this air conditioner. This AC is an eco-friendly device as it optimizes performance for energy-efficient operations. The R32 refrigerant proves its worth as the most environmentally friendly coolant of all. Other functions like the backlit remote, timer function, and auto restart option make this AC one of the country's most cherished home appliances. Pros: good cooling performance, excellent at purifying the circulated air, uses an environmentally friendly coolant in R32. Cons: installation charges are extra. The remote is of average quality. The electrical cable is not available with the indoor unit. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 3 online list Daikin 0.8 ton 3-star split AC FTL28 TV. This Daikin 0.8 ton AC is ideal for the compact Indian bedrooms we have today. An AC with higher capacity can make it uncomfortable. Though this air conditioner has a low capacity, it does not affect its performance in any way. The power chill operation empowers your AC to run at maximum speed to deliver instant cooling whenever you need it. The Coanda airflow feature provides radiant cooling and enhances comfort by distributing air evenly to every corner of the room. The Econo mode empowers efficient operation by limiting power consumption. This feature is useful when multiple electrical devices are working on a shared electrical circuit. Daikin ACs feature 100% copper condensers and copper coils to deliver a robust air conditioning system. The oscillatory refrigerant motion inside these grooved copper coils helps in its better functioning. This appliance comes with a sleep timer that allows you to control the AC temperature when sleeping. This unit is low on maintenance as it offers a stabilizer-free operation. The unit shuts off on its own if the input voltage is outside the acceptable range. The R32 refrigerant is the ideal coolant to have in air conditioners because of its zero ozone depletion potential and low global warming potential. Thus, it has a reputation for being a recyclable compound. Daikin AC outdoor units are designed to provide better safety to customers from unfortunate fire accidents. The high-impact polystyrene for IDUs maintains the AC's external appearance even after multiple years of use. Pros: ideal for small rooms, excellent cooling performance with power savings, ISEER value 3.65. Compact AC with excellent safety features. Cons: the remote needs improvement. The internal unit does not have a temperature indicator. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 2 on my list TCL 1 ton 3-star Wi-Fi AI Ultra Inverter Split AC TAC12 CSD EV3S. In this era of smartphones and other innovative home devices, here is an intelligent AC capable of supporting Wi-Fi connectivity and enabling you to control its operations from remote locations. This TCL Wi-Fi Inverter AC is compatible with Google Assistant and comes with a vitamin C filter to provide clean air. People living in areas experiencing hot summers can rely on this appliance to provide instant cooling even if the external temperatures reach an impossible 60 degrees Celsius. The TCL Ultra Inverter compressor can run at maximum RPM. And reduce the output temperature levels from 27 degrees to 18 degrees in 30 seconds. The condenser tubes get Titan Gold evaporator and condenser protection that does not allow retention of water droplets, increasing the machine's lifespan. While delivering high-quality cooling, the inverter compressor reduces energy consumption by nearly 40%. The remote comes with unique iFeel technology that senses the ambient temperature and provides appropriate cooling. The R32 refrigerant ensures optimum cooling without damaging the environment. This Wi-Fi enabled AC comes with a unique 4-way airflow system to provide uniform cooling to every corner. The 100% copper components ensure quick heat transfer and easy repairs. Pros: Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to control the AC from virtually anywhere. Google Assistant compatibility enables you to converse with the machine using your voice. The TCL patented coating technology enhances its durability. Cons: you need a broadband connection for the Wi-Fi connectivity feature to work. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 1 on my list, Blue Star 0.8 ton 3-star Inverter Split AC IC309RBTU. This Blue Star 0.8 ton AC should be your ideal home appliance for small rooms. The 0.8 ton capacity enables this AC to withstand lighter loads comfortably. It comes with features like Turbo Cool that can cool your bedroom in the shortest possible time, even when the summer sun is raging outside. Industrial pollution is common in Indian cities. Hence, ACs need the best protection. This Blue Star AC features anti-corrosive gold fins for protecting the condenser and evaporator parts to ensure excellent performance and enhanced durability. ACs today have become smart enough to self-diagnose errors and make it convenient to maintain them. Besides, the self-clean technology prevents dust and moisture accumulation in the pipes by cleaning them after every usage. This Blue Star AC works on several modes. If the Turbo Cool mode ensures quick cooling. The comfort sleep mode allows undisturbed sleep. The innovative fuzzy logic feature adjusts the temperature accordingly to ensure maximum convenience. The eco mode reduces the compressor speed and helps in saving power. This AC is excellent for covering small spaces. The two-way auto swing feature delivers a motorized horizontal and vertical swing utility to provide uniform cooling in your bedroom. The I-Feel sensor embedded in the remote ensures that the airflow remains directed towards you all the time, thereby increasing cooling efficiency. Finally, this Blue Star AC ranks right at the top on the designing aspect. This aesthetically designed AC features a hidden light-up display to enhance the overall interior ambience. Pros: powerful performance in small spaces saves power while delivering optimal cooling. ISEER value 3.92, enhanced durability and hence full value for money. Cons: not the ideal appliance for large bedrooms. The remote does not have a backlighting feature. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Thank you. Have a nice day.